Good afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to change the oil on Lexus IS220D. So difficult to get under the car, so we had to put it on the ramp. It's not that easy. As you know, that's the gauge and the filler. How to top up the oil, how to check the oil. As you see, is an oil pan. That's a plug offside front next to the wishbone. As you know, these vehicles are rear wheel drive. It's plug. You just undo this little sump plug or oil pan, let the oil goes, and just tighten it back. There's a little flap here. As you see, I just remove it. There's a flap. 3 10mm bolts. Throw it away, other way, one corner. As you see, that's your filter, exactly under the crankshaft pulley. Now you see, we just remove it here. Don't forget, when you want to tighten this, 25 Newton meter plus 5 Newton meters, plus or minus, written on the casing. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's quite, yeah, 25 plus or minus 5. It's a new filter we bought. Good filters from Euro Car Parts. And the oil 0W30. This filter comes with this little plugs, as it shows. You must remove this. Is, I don't know, maybe it's different countries or different model. Normally they show this one screws here, so to drain the oil from the filter, because it's quite too much oil inside the oil filter housing. But it doesn't work on this model. It's 2 O-rings here. That's the O-ring we are changing. With the little screwdriver, remove this one. You can see a little notch here. The screwdriver remove the O-rings. Or even you can try it with a finger now. That's it. Just come off. Fit the new one in. Just working with one hand because I must hold the camera. That's it. The new filter. Sit here. Screw this one back where it should be. This one definitely, these O-rings belong to this. Different model. Yeah, I put the O-ring back. I don't know which model is that. That's not required. So this is what you do. Job done. If you want a little bit oil on the around the O-ring, so it goes in smoothly. Here we go. So we go back underneath there. Did here. I just tighten it. just make sure when you get to the end, don't force it. We use one of these water pump pliers, as you see. Just a little bit nip it. You can push this one all the way, turn it all the way by hand when you get to the end. When it sits in the place, you just nip it with the water pump plier. This water pump, see, even I can do it by hand. As you see, look. But you can turn it by hand. I'm just showing you how to do it, because one hand I'm holding the camera. That's it. You don't need to force it, because the O-ring is gonna expand when it gets hot and it doesn't let the cap open. That's how you change the oil. You drain it from there.